1977 Chevrolet Impala estate wagon. Super clean, one owner. Mostly original. It's got dual exhaust and wheels. Other than that, the whole car is original. We sell and ship worldwide. We finance nationwide. Please visit our website for more information on that. Our website is located in the description of this video. Just scroll down. Tires are in great shape. Paint looks amazing for its age. Those dual exhaust tips right there. Sounds good. It's got a 350. I'll show you in a minute. Here's the name of the company right there, phone number and website. All the chrome is in great shape. Interior is amazing and all original. It's got one little crack on the dash right there, one little rip in the seat right there, which I'm about to fix actually. So I'm gonna lower the rear window. You can see that still works. There you go. Whew. Back seat looks brand new. Nobody sat here. Look at that. All original. The rack is in great shape. Chrome is good. No pitting. Best part. Third row. Rear facing. It's got the original mats right there. All rubber mats. I kept them just in case anybody wants to keep everything original. Headliners are in great shape. This car's got 80,000 on the odometer. It's a 5-digit odometer, so just do your homework, please. Original, great running, 350. Still running really strong.